Let me tell you a story about my biggest unlock moment with AI. I'm Prabhu and I run business intelligence for my team. Each month we get dozens of requests and someone had to read through each request, hand type a priority score in Excel, and because business priorities are always shifting, our scoring of backlog items was always lagging behind what leadership cared about and what projects engineering was working on. There was no agile way to automate the full workflow. That's until I started vibe coding with GitHub Copilot and VS Code. I'm not a developer. I never built an application for automation. But I saw my colleagues using these tools to build custom solutions and I thought I'd give it a try. All I do is describe my workflow just the way I talk. I first open VS Code that is connected to GitHub Copilot. Next, I put into the chat. Here are my work items and business priorities. Score these and stack rank them for our engineering team to work on next month. Now let's take a look at the application that was created. I didn't design any of the UI or backend scripts. I only provided the methodology. The application connects to Azure DevOps using a personal access token, which GitHub Copilot guided me to create by navigating to the user settings in Azure DevOps. The application includes multiple input options for these items and checkboxes to select priorities you want to score against. Now let's hit Analyze Work Items. The application is completely automated and provides a stack rank list of Azure DevOps items with scores against business priorities and urgencies, including details from Azure DevOps. Now, as business priorities change, I can swap the priorities with a single prompt. For example, I can say, update the business priorities to remove growth motion as the top priority and replace it with market expansion as the new number one priority. And there you go. You can see that market expansion is our top priority this month. And all of my items, including backlog, can now be analyzed against this new updated prioritization framework. After setting it up once, the whole cycle runs automatically. I replace 10 hours of business intelligence work each month. I even packaged it in a GitHub repo with a README, so anyone can clone it and run it against their own Azure DevOps queries without starting from scratch. It went from something my team and I had to do manually to a data pipeline that runs itself.